Good afternoon, everyone. This is Johanna, aka Ganny. Yes, I am here doing my very first tutorial. Okay, this is a tutorial for the ponytail scrunchies that I've been making. I shared them on my Facebook page, and I've been requested to show how I make them. Okay, very simple, very easy. I start, and this is my first video, so hopefully it comes through okay. And I learned how to use these different buttons on the phone for it. This is not a live, this is a pre-recorded video, and I have many different colors that I have made. As you can see, lots of different colors. I'm getting ready to make another yellow, but this is a yellow, the black and white, red, white, and blue. And they're all very comfortable for your hair. They do not pull on your hair, do not break your hair. So what you're going to need to get started, of course, is yarn. I use this let me see. I'm trying to see it. Let me put my glasses on. Yeah. Comes with age, y'all. This is a 5.25 hook. Pair of scissors, of course. And most importantly, the stretchy bands. Okay, and I stretch on them to make sure they are not going to break. I will go ahead and get started showing you how I start. And hopefully I can do this. First of all, you take your yarn, and of course you're going to make a slip knot. And I've been doing this so long that I do it very quickly, so I'm going to twist it. Okay. And I am going to put this piece up in there. Just going slowly so I can show you. Pull on the tail, and there you have a slip knot. Okay? And you have your slip knot ready. And to make these, the easiest way for me is to put the elastic on the hook first. Then put the yarn back on my hook. Okay? And I anchor my yarn around my baby finger for tension and to let go and pull and all that other good stuff. Okay, there's your elastic. I pull this through my elastic so that you have it. I should just look around my camera and try to do it that way. Pull up another hook, and there you have it secured to your elastic. Okay, it's all secured to your elastic. Chain one up, and we're going to do a double crochet all the way around the elastic 40 times. Okay, a double crochet, what a double crochet is that you pull up a loop, go through the elastic. I hold my tail in place to cover it so I won't have to tuck it later. Go through the elastic, pull up another loop. You should have 3 on your hook by now. Let me get this held down. You gotta hold your elastic if you are coordinated enough. You have 3 on your hook. You pull through 2, 1, 2, and then you pull through the last 2. That is a double crochet. Hook, go through the elastic, pull up a hook, a loop, sorry. Go through 1, 2, and then hook it around again. Go through 1, 2. Let's do this again. A double crochet is looping it around your hook. Go through the elastic, pull up another loop, go through 2, 1, 2, pull up another, go through 1, 2. Okay, and I do this a total of 40 times all the way around the elastic. Once you have done your 40 around the elastic, I will show you what I do next. We're going to go ahead and do one more here. Go through, pull it up, hook it around, go through 1, go through 2, pull up another loop, 1, 2. Okay, go ahead and do that 40 times and I'll meet you back here. Okay, I'm back and I've got 40 double crochets on my elastic. I'm going to join in a slip knot to the top of my very first stitch here. Let me show you here. Pull this apart. This is where I slip stitched and chained onto the elastic to begin with, right here. Okay, this is the top hoop to the very first stitch. I'm going to go through both of those, and then I'm going to slip stitch, meaning pull one through and then pull it through this one. Okay, there we go, we got the slip stitch on there. And now the way that I make the florets on it is by just chaining. So I chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can do 15 or you can do 20. I do 20. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That is for a fuller, okay? So here you go. You got a chain of 20. You come back to your piece here. I'm holding this out of my way. And I look for the next stitch here, which is right here. Okay? Put your hook through both of those pieces. Pull up a loop. And slip stitch it through that piece, that last chain that you chained before you brought it back. And there you go, you've got your first, I call them florets, I guess you could say. I put it behind my hook. Now I'm going to chain again, 20 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, you leave that one here, you come back to your piece here, you go to your next stitch, go through the top of the stitch, both hoops, pull up a loop, and slip stitch it into that last chain, the 20th chain that you made. Okay, you pull it a little, pull on this part here, and it comes snug to your hook. And this is what I do all the way around. Chain another 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Take that one. I'm holding this out of the way with my other fingers, bringing it back to the elastic into this next hoop here. Go through both of those, pull up a hoop, bring it through, and then bring it through that last chain that you made on your chain. And you just do that all the way around until you get it full of your chains. I'll be back with the finished product. And there you go. You just tie off the end piece after you chain the last one. Oh, I should have showed you that, but let me see if I can find it. You can barely see it either. Let me see where I chained it off. Bear with me. I can't find it now. Oh my goodness. See, like I said, this is my very first video, okay? And if you are a crocheter, all you do is just hoop it off at the last chain and tie it off. And there you have it. You have your elastic scrunchie. I'm going to be trying to make more videos, tutorial videos. I've been told many times that I should do tutorials, and like I said, this is my very first one, so any suggestions as to make it easier? Of course, I just learned that I should show you all how to tie it off before it's done. I see you guys another time, okay? Have a really blessed day.